Okay, we are live, baby. Let's check to make sure we are live. Um, let's check. Okay, we are live, but I don't know why it's not the right. Um, oh, okay, maybe it is the right link. Anyways, how's everyone doing? Today is October 25th. Today is a Tuesday. I hope everyone's having a good Tuesday. If you're not, let's try and create a better Tuesday. Okay, let's see what's going on here in the markets. Let's check the news. Okay, so this morning we had pretty much no interesting news. And then this afternoon at 3 p.m., we can see we have consumer confidence. They're expecting pretty neutral numbers, and the manufacturing index. And then we have some FOMC meetings later on in the day. That's pretty much it. Let's check the news here. Japan raises view on import to slow. China sets one fixing at weakest level since 2008. USD CNY. We'll go check that out. USD CNY. Let's just check that out quickly. Okay, so I guess the dollar is just getting stronger. Anyways, let's take a look at golds. Erase everything. Okay, on the monthly, guys, we had come up, we flipped back bearish, and now it seems like we tried to create the low last Friday. We came back up, and today, this week, it's starting like it's looking like it's trying to come down again. We're back at this support, so let's see how it reacts off this support. On the daily, we can see we broke yesterday's low. Check on the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, we broke out of this zone, and it moved down. Now it looks like it's creating a top wick on the 4 hour candle. Okay, you can see on the hourly, it looks like it's retracing. So this morning I tried to take a trade. I did not manage to because I was looking at this zone, right? And then when it closed out, the next one just came down without a top wick, which is what we might be coming to create right now. So let's read. So we clearly have a zone here. It was sells below, but now looking like coming back up. We do have some clear sells. Uh, yeah, some sells below here. Should be pretty clean sells. And then we do have some clean, probably buys above there. That's just a fake out, so we don't really take that into consideration. So it should be something pretty clean. Obviously on the daily we are more bearish than bullish. Then seeing how this came back, we could see another push to the upside before we're trying to make come lower. It could create somewhat of a double top or something. Let's see. Let's check GJ on the monthly is obviously bullish. Looking like we're gonna close above the range. Let's check on the weekly. On the weekly, we closed somewhat above here, and now it looks like we're continuing up to fill the previous wick and maybe continue further. On the daily, You can see respected this zone super well, just bounced off right back up to the tops, broke all the highs, and that retraced a bit after, and now it looking like it's gonna come and fill this wick. Okay, so on the 4 hour, we can see we're kind of in this zone right now that we've been in multiple times before. You can see a lot of fake outs this zone, which could be what we're seeing right now. You can see here a fake out, here the same fake out. Here again. So I wouldn't be surprised to see another fake out right now. Let's check. So that's on the 4 hours. So on the hourly, I think we have a zone right here. If you break above there, you can take some buys. And then there is also clearly somewhat of a zone around here. We can see we had a lot of taps at this zone. So it will be interesting to see how it reacts off of this zone. Could potentially be something interesting. 20 minutes till NY open here. Yeah, so for the moment it's looking like a fake out, and then if we break the previous low, we could try to take sells around here. We'll have to see how that plays out. Let's check the dollar. On the monthly, it's a doji, just went bearish. On the weekly, we did close bearish below here. Now looking like a retest, but we haven't closed in above there yet. Even yesterday, we rejected that zone. Today, we're kind of neutral. So on the 4 hour, we can see a pretty strong resistance around here. I think if you break below there, you're going to continue down, and then there's somewhat of a zone up here too. If you break above it, could get a move up. So pretty simple zones, I want to say. We'll have to see. Okay, so gold is coming back in this range. We're probably just going to wait a bit and take it at the next zone. Let's check Bloomberg. Sunak inherits cocktail of risks as new UK leader. You know, let's start with the 5 things we need to know. Well, maybe UK, it's a bit late. For US, 5 things you need to know for today. Bank earnings. It is an eventful earning day for HSBC. It beat estimate thanks to stronger net interest income. It named a new CFO and revealed that it boosted its loan loss provision to 200 million due to the turmoil caused by the UK's mini budget. Investors took that letter as a reason to sell, sending shares lower. Meanwhile, higher interest rates also helped UBS beat profit estimates, enabling the bank to confirm a plan to return around 5.5 billion to investors this year. In the US, tech names dominate the earnings schedule with Microsoft and Alphabet due to report. Fed losses. The Federal Reserve is among central banks that are now sitting on paper losses on their massive bond holdings, which were accumulated as part of their rescue effort in recent years. The US Treasury will see a stunning swing going from receiving about 100 billion last year from the Fed to a potential annual loss rate of 80 billion by the year end, according to Hesperion LLC, Security LLC. UK transition. As he steps into the role of Prime Minister, Rishi Sunak is now on the hook to clean up his predecessor's mess. His first task is to repair the damage caused by Trump's massive package of unfunded tax cuts. Then tackle cocktail problems, including the struggle economy and long-run energy squeeze. Yet perhaps one thing that could help Sunak is market savvy. Stock retreat. The U.S. equity futures are on back foot with S&P 500 contracts down 0.5%. La 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 la. Okay, guys. So nothing too spectacular. Fed is losing billions, wiping out profits that funded spending. Fed is losing billions. What does that mean for the dollar? Let's see if we can get an extra bit of information. Federal Reserve around the world paying more in interest. Aren't you profit and loss aren't usually thought as a considering for central banks, but rapidly mounting red ink at the Federal Reserve and many peers risk becoming more than just accounting oddity. The bond market is enduring its worst sell-off in a generation, triggered by high inflation and the aggressive interest rate hikes that central banks are implementing. Falling bond prices in turn mean paper losses on the massive holding that the Fed and other accumulated during their rescue efforts in recent years. Red hikes also involve a central bank payout for more interest on the reserve than commercial bank park with them. Well, they are indeed worth a lot less. Swiss National Bank reported a loss of 95 billion francs for the first 6 months of the year, as the value of its Forex exchange holdings slumped. Worst first half performance since it was established in 1907. Crazy news, guys. Okay, we have 15 minutes here till NY Open. 15 minutes closing. GJ looks pretty good to come down here. We're just gonna wait another 15 minutes and then we'll see how things go from there. Guys, do we think the dollar is gonna push up or push down this week? Technically, it looks like it's gonna push down. Um, that would also make sense due to the amount of strength it's had. I think the problem is there's a lack of supply of dollar because the demand for dollar will always be high. Um, as a lot of countries have debts in dollar, which they have to pay back. So regardless, the demand for dollar is always there. But obviously, as the supply is being somewhat cut with the interest rates rise, you can see this just completely jump price of dollars. Because if we remember initially with COVID, price, okay, sure had a peak up, but then it came down, right, for months. And then as people, places, whatever, companies, institutions had to pay back debts, and the demand for the dollar kept rising, we are seeing just consistent up pushes. Just like extreme strength as the demand just kept staying high and supply wasn't changing that much. But this one you can see once we had a liquidity grab, and then we can see we failed to break the highs, followed by strong bearish pushes, which is the first time in a while we've seen that. Because before you were making new highs and then the bearish would come in and then right back bullish. New highs and then obviously the bears come in. Maybe it could be a replica of this where you weren't making new highs and the bears were coming in. But the fact that you just came down and grabbed all this liquidity and then failed twice, for me, it looks like the bearish momentum is there, which should mean gold should go push up. I think it can. Because overall, although gold's USD is down, I believe gold overall is not down. Okay, exactly. If you look on this monthly, let's compare that to gold. Monthly against the gold against the dollar on the monthly. As you can see, so this is the first top here. Came down, created a double top like here. Except against other currencies, it came even higher. And now we're still pretty high, like at the high level. It's the equivalent to if we were here. You see what I mean? That's pretty much where we are. So it's not necessarily the gold that's bearish. It's more the dollar that's bullish. Obviously, gold against the dollar is bearish. So if the dollar drops, there's two confirmations for gold to go up: the overall gold bullish trend, and then gold pullbacks in the dollar. Which, looks pretty promising as we speak. I think if we break out of this zone, we can easily come further down. Let's see, let's see. Okay, we have 10 minutes here till NY Open. Maybe price is simply pulling back to grab a better price for New York Open and then it's going to push further down. We'll have to see. We will have to see. For the moment, we're just waiting. Um, yeah, we seem to have 1, 2 viewers. Welcome. Okay, so as you see, guys, both GJ and gold seem to be pulling up a bit. So let's see, let's see. I think if gold comes back in this range, we have a nice buys opportunity. We'll have to see how it plays out here. But I do think above here, yeah, we do have some nice opportunities. and GJ cells both look quite nice. Supply of Great British pounds. Let's see how the supply is changed. Okay. I had learned what's the money supply, the difference between M1, M2, and M3 in university, but to be honest, I forget. But they're all in an uptrend anyway. What about dollar supply? Right? This makes more sense. Right here in October 2021, they start decreasing the supply. So price started to come down because demand was still high. The British pound, on the other hand, has just been steadily increasing supply and price is going up. Yeah, against the yen. Okay. So let's go and check the supply of the yen. Yen pressured by dovish. When was this published? Okay. Check the yen on a graph. Indices. Yen. I see. I see. Uh-huh. Okay, 2 minutes here. I'm having a pretty beautiful day here. Um, I am chilling. This morning, got up pretty early, went to the gym, came back, did quite a bit of market research, and yeah, didn't take any positions during Japan London session. As I said, I was trying to take it here, but the lack of the top, I was looking at the 30 minutes because I wasn't really checking it like that. Maybe on the 15-minute, I could have, yeah, maybe taken it around here as came up, and then as it was coming back down, potentially something like that. Okay, we have 1 minute left here, guys. Let's see what the markets bring us. Remember, there's news a bit later. Oh, you're getting the drop there from the GBP JPY. Is this to, oh, is this to potentially fake out back above? Who knows? Who knows? Find out soon. Okay, so there we have the closure. On 30 minutes, gold closed doji. Came up, came down, and now it's opening up. And GJ closed pretty strongly bearish. This new hourly seems to be just moving. Not technically what you want. We do want to see a nice top wick and then some type of, I think gold's gonna move up and GJ down. Mm, or is it a coincidence that price opened up down here? Did it open down here to get a better price and then move down? I don't know. I don't know. I think gold is pretty bullish though. Question is whether we can sell above here. There's another zone, worst case, around here. 30 pips above. We'll have to see. Oh, there goes the yen. Yeah, I'd be surprised if, by how it's moving, if it moved bullish. Just considering how the previous hourly closed. Question is, do we want to enter here? Break of these lows. I just don't like the previous 15-minute. Getting ink stains on myself. Yeah, okay, so by the way this gold is opening up, it looks nice to come up. Yeah, this looks pretty nice, guys. We're gonna wait a few more minutes, but I think you can get buys here on gold. And sells on GJ. So we're just gonna have to figure out which one's better. But these gold buys look pretty tasty. Yeah, 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 yeah. 1644.6 or point 0.5, whatever. Or is it the GJ sells? Who knows? Okay, so the more markets move, the less, I guess, favorable it is. You're breaking lows and all this. So we're gonna wait and see. Let's wait. Okay, so we can see gold's coming down a bit here. Or at least trying to. GJ is kind of just ranging. The dollar's pushing up nicely. Looks like it's about to flip on the 4-hour candle. What's dollar on the daily? On the daily, it's neutral. But obviously, if it keeps breaking highs, gold keeps breaking lows. Mm, that trend could be reversed. Okay, GJ looks pretty nice here. We might 6 pips, 15 pips. Let's see where we can put the stop loss. Let's see how it reacts around this low. We're not in anything right now. We are just chilling. Just chilling. Let's see. No positions. We're waiting. We're waiting. We have Comex open in 10 minutes here. GJ, if it's going to go down, it should continue. Gold looking like it's kind of struggling at that low. I do think we're going to see bullish movement in gold today. We've seen this move many times. Many times. Comes down, create the low for New York Open, and then last up. Let me try find you an example of it. So we are all on the same page. Right here. Comes down, blasts up. Um, right here, comes down, goes up. So that is what I am expecting today. Let's see though. Unfortunately, the markets don't like to be nice and easy with us. Okay, so GJ is, let's see how it's reacting at those lows. It's pushing, but not the strong push you'd want to see if it was a breakout. You'd really want it to push pretty quick, pretty strong. Same with gold. If it was breaking at that low, you would want it to push pretty strongly. So we just have to see. DXY bullish on the 4 hour now. And the hourly, we're looking pretty bullish. All the other time frames too, which means gold should continue pushing down. GJ's ambiguous. We have 5-minute closures right here, right now. The only crypto story you need. Who cares about that, man? Adidas ends partnership. Wow. Crazy things going on in there. Okay, guys, so the break on the 5-minute, you kind of closed the ball. Not looking too promising. Guys, whether 1,000 people come to the live, whether no one comes to the live, doesn't really matter to me. We're gonna keep doing these. So yeah, we're here to stay. So this is the flip on the 15-minute right here, which is looking like it could happen. I'm just flowing through charts right now, seeing what the mood is. GJ is flipping on the hourly. Gold is definitely coming up. Mm-hmm. Interesting. So what happened in London session, right? Let's look at that. London session opens here. So we opened up high, came all the way down, retraced pre New York. New York's opening right here. We're kind of neutral. So the question is whether we're gonna continue this leg down or retrace this London move, come back up. I don't know. We have a 15-minute closure here in 2 minutes. Um, obviously one of the option was to take it on the flip. Let's see if that would have played out. GJ, I think we're gonna get sells here. Man's doing wheelies. Okay, so not really a push up there. He started getting somewhat of a push, but let's see. 15-minute closure in a minute here. First 15 minutes of the New York Open. So we've come up, come down, and now we're right back up. If we look at the opening, came up, down, moved back up. I think if this 15-minute closes bullish, and then we can take some buys above here or something like that. But I'm not sold by it. I am not convinced quite yet. Okay. Don't tell me you're gonna close it no top wick. Basically. Okay, so we close without a top wick. Come in, we're flipping back bearish now. Does it mean we can take some sells below here or something? This is definitely a zone to look at. What happens around here? Yeah, okay, there's somewhat of a zone around here. Around here or something. Let's be safe and put it lower. So there's a zone around here. Don't know how it's going to react, but there's something around there. GJ looks good to flip bearish. We have 3 minutes till Comex open. Yeah. 3 minutes till potential positions. Okay. 2 minutes here left. I think GJ is going to give us good sells, honestly. Oh. Oh. We're waiting here. We are waiting. Something must have just happened. Let's open news terminal. Saudi energy minister. Okay. Pretty bad news. Anyways, for Comex open, I think we can get buys above here. 1645. I believe so. Um, that would make sense why price is coming down now. And stop would be at 1643.5. Basically where we are now. I think it's not a bad opportunity. Let's check. 1645. Okay, guys, so we have the buy stop here. It's 20 past right now. It's going to activate. Should do it pretty quickly. Let's check what the GJ's doing. Ooh, that reversal on GJ. Okay. Price isn't really moving. We're coming down here a bit. Okay, okay, we're coming down. Probably gonna delete these buy stops. Let's see. I reacts at these lows here. We start closing below here. We're obviously going to close. Well, not close because we're not in them, but delete them. It makes sense. The continuation of the downtrend. London came down, retraced a bit. NY open. Maybe grab better orders to then continue further lower. Let's see where this 5-minute closes. For the moment, the buy stop is still there. The stop loss would actually be at the break of it. Let's see. We're seeing some type of reaction around here. Let's see if it's trying to stay below or come back up above. Let me put. So we do have a buy stop here. With stops, I'll let you know. Can you move the buy stops down here? Probably, because if you break above, you're probably gonna come. So GJ is flipping back bearish. So it's pretty neutral. And for gold, it looks like we might start selling off. No confirmation yet. If you look, there is still bullish pressure. We tapped into the zone here. Seems like we're rejecting off of it. So we'll have to see how it reacts. If we come up here, I would be surprised if we don't move further up, at least to fill this wick. If we reject a bit and then the next candle comes and fills down here, we're probably just going to be moving down today. Question is whether you can sell below here, maybe. Let's see. Let's see how price reacts off this zone. We can see it rejected off, but it looks like it's trying to come back down. $30 minutes left on the 4-hour candle here. Hourly's coming down. 15.2. Okay, there's the 5-minute close. Let's see where the next 5-minute closes. Oh, yeah, guys. Once you break down into this zone again, you reject it off of it, start breaking down into it and staying in it, we're definitely going to come fill the zone. If you get a rejection from here, then the buys would still be valid. I don't know how I know there's a way you can do it where it just keeps printing. We get something like this. It's still valid, this zone here. But if we start closing below, we're going to get a move down. So crucial point between these two zones here. Let me redo this beautiful drawing of mine. If you get closures below, there's a high chance you see that. If you see closures above, there's a high chance you see that. So let's see how it's reacting off of here. It's trying to come below, but not yet. Huh. Turns out it's also valid for this strong. Okay, guys, I am going to delete my buy stops. Oh, let's just see where this 1 minute closes. Let's see if we start rejecting this zone, then but on the 5 minutes, guys, you know what to expect. If it closes like this, the next one can come up and then come all the way down. Let's see how we react off of this zone. With the new 30 minutes here, the last 30 minutes of the 4-hour in 2 minutes. Let's see how it closes. It's looking pretty bearish on most time frames. But what I'm expecting a bit is we've seen these fake outs many times before. There's no reason it can't happen today. So let's see, let's see. Because obviously we're entering this zone of liquidity or whatnot. So GJ seems to be rejecting pretty strongly off of this. Doesn't mean we can't come back later on in the session. Okay, I think gold's coming back up a bit too. Okay, let's see, guys. There you go. There's the new 30-minute candle. So it closed pretty strong bearish below. So let's see if we start rejecting coming up or if we start filling this range. We have no top wick for the moment. No top wick. It is just simply moving down. Okay, let's just if this 5 minutes closes below, we're out of well, we're not in the trade, but we're deleting the buy stop. And then we'll look for a new position when the opportunity comes. I'm going to soon have to go eat something because I haven't eaten today and starting to get hungry. Okay, there you go. You have the top wick now. Let's see what this candle does. DXY is now coming down below this line. On the hourly, it looks pretty bearish. Let's see what gold does. If I wasn't scared, you'd have maybe a buy stop above here. Expecting it to have a strong rejection off of it. Which, looking at the dollar, would make sense. For the moment, candles are closing bearish, so definitely not a trade we're going to be taking here. Okay, there you go. It looks like we're breaking the low again. But it's weird because, okay, the dollar is rejecting a bit. There you go, guys. We are deleting that position, and we are just waiting now. I'm still looking for that same position, just might be a bit later in the session or with different type of entry. But let's see, now we're somewhat respecting the zone on the 5 minutes. So we opened up. Created a high, opened up, and then moved down with Comex. Not too much volume in the market, it seems like. And now we're just waiting. Guys, as you've probably noticed, a lot of waiting in the stream. The reality of my trading. I wait. Okay, it's 35 past now. You usually get a bit more volume. Let's see if this 5 minute just drags through to the next zone, or if it does none of that. It's looking like it. The 35 wants to drive. You have somewhat of a, on the 15, you have some zone here. So let's see how it reacts off of that. There you go, a little push there. Okay, so the hourly, I mean, it looks like the next candle we could get some moves down. Let's see. 40, yeah, we moved down like $50, $5 or something, 50 pips. The GJ has moved up 20, 25 pips. Okay, guys, so we can see it somewhat took out the low, and now it's rejecting off there. We're right back at that zone. If we can close above on the 5 minutes, there's higher chances we come back to this zone and then back above here again. Seems like we're engulfing the previous 5 minute here. I do think there's a good chance this pulls up. Yeah, there you go. The dollars keeps dropping. The gold is not reflecting that drop yet. Yeah, just conflicting. I'm starting to think above here we can get a nice move up. For the 4 hour retracement. But then the hourly, yeah, no, the hourly doesn't look that good to come up. So we're just gonna wait here. The dollar's going not down, but not really. I'm curious to see how it, if it comes back above here, how it reacts at this level again, if it comes back to the level. There you go. The 5 minutes starting to re-break previous 5 minute lows. Um, yeah, if we break lows again, we should come fill this range. Only 10 pips. The next hourly candle could have a really nice move below here. Okay, so the dollar still showing conflicting news. The dollar is overall bearish on the since New York Open. Gold is also extremely bearish too. So yeah, just conflicting views. Okay, yeah, so now it looks like we're gonna come fill this zone quite easily here. You could get a pretty big push once you arrive at that zone, but we're gonna wait for the 4 hour close. Let's see, let's see. Okay, there you go, guys. There you've reached the next zone. So you can see the hourlies completely engulfed the pullback. So it was a pre-New York pullback and then New York continuation. It looks like this down move on the daily. On the daily, it's not as clean. On the 4 hour, it's a bit cleaner. You are at somewhat support around here, so yeah. We'll have to see, we'll have to see. Okay, there you go. You're getting a bit of a somewhat of a reaction down here. GJ looks like it's going to continue pushing up the next 4 hour candle. Fill the daily wick. Okay, so gold's giving us a 10 pip little rejection off of that zone. Oh, 20 pip rejection. Let's see, let's see. Okay, so you're engulfing previous 5 minute candle. I'm interested to see how we react off this zone once again. Yeah, that's a pretty strong reaction you have there. Hmm. Making me think about our bullish bias beforehand. I mean, so what happened with the dollar? We reached this pretty strong layer of the zone. You can see we've reacted off of it. We've reacted off it one more time during the open. We came up. we touched it somewhat and then we rejected pretty harshly off of it. Um, I think are going to continue moving further down. If that was not the case, I think we would have just moved up, which means I really do think gold will continue moving down, but can't be sure about that. Anyway, there's like cold air in the I'm just going to check if the doors are closed. Okay. So we had the 15-minute closure there. We can see we closed pretty bullish. think I think this next 15 can move up here. If we break the high. Okay, let's hope it comes back down. Oh. We want it to come and retest here. Okay, or not. Might have just missed it. So GJ is going to be closing above the range, it looks like. Gold. Gold is trying to. Okay, we would have not have gotten our 10 pips quite yet. Doesn't look like rejection wicks. Looks like it's gonna come back up and fill it. Yeah, the dollar's pretty bearish. And the hourly, we're closing below this zone. Could mean we can come push here to these lows. Who knows what it means? But we're just gonna wait for the 4-hour close here. We had a potential opportunity, but didn't play out. GJ break of the high would have given you 10 pips. So not a bad move at all. Okay, so gold's kind of retracing. Yeah, I think it's still still somewhat bearish. We'll have to see how this 4 hour closes here. But the 4 hour is going to be closing pretty bearish. Um, yeah, yeah. The gold is still holding him up above the zone, but see we have a new 5 minute here. Let's see how that one plays out. I wouldn't be okay. So I mean, DXY does look pretty beautiful. We're reaching all these lows, so we could see somewhat of a reaction around here. And see where at all these lows right now. We kind of already did react off of them. But see if we just break through. Let's see what gold does. We could start creating this type of formation on gold. Creep up and then boom. Anyways, for the time being, guys, there's no trade. Um, no trade. We're just being patient here. GJ still moving. See if we close above the zone or not. Gold is flipping back bearish. Okay. So now we should come down and fill the wick. Unless you come back above this range, but on the 15 minute, it does look pretty bearish right now. Guys, there's going to be ample opportunities today. I'm in no rush at all. GJ is kind of retracing here. This zone can be moved a bit. Well, let's redo the analysis. On the daily, you're bullish. You're moving above this zone. The 4 hours about to close above here, which should mean you're pretty bullish. If you break back, fake back about back in the zone, sorry. Ooh. And then you start breaking these lows. I think you can look for sells again. Because that would be a range 2. But for the moment, spot is above. And gold, okay. So you, mm, that's a nice move. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is gonna give you 10 pips, 100%. Gave you like 6. Should push up. That 5 minute, yeah, looks pretty bullish to me. There you go. You're probably gonna come fill the wick now. That would make a lot of sense. So overall, we reacted off this price. We got over a 30 pip rejection with what looks like 3 5-minute bullish candles in a row. Um, Price opened up not too far from here on the NY Open, 15 pips away. So there's a decent chance we come back up. I think we're just gonna wait for buys above there. Mm, 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 mm. Okay, guys, 5 minutes here till the new 4 hour, the new hour, the new 30 minutes, the new everything. Let's see if gold does give you that push I was expecting it to give you. I think it should reach this support at least. Okay, this GJ, let's see if it closes above or not. Might be somewhat of a fake out or something. Let's see. Oh. Looking like a pretty strong rejection of this zone. Same with gold. Okay, 4 more minutes, guys. 4 more minutes. Gold is kind of just ranging, trying to stay above the zone, but oh, GJ is coming back up. If this closes bearish, I mean, you have good chances of. Now you've created that top wick for the 4 hour. The next 4 hour can just drive through, kind of similarly to this right here. Very similar to this, actually. Hmm. Kind of. We had retrace, and at 3 we moved down. 330 back up. 230 up. 330. It was Wednesday 19th. Let's check Wednesday 19th. Okay. Okay, guys, 2 minutes here. 2 minutes. GJ looks like it's closing above. Gold's still somewhat respecting this zone around here. Let's see how it reacts off of it. And yeah, we're just waiting. Okay, there you go. We're flipping back bullish. 1 minute to go. we have news in 1 hour, and we have NYSE open in 30 minutes. Guys, we're staying patient. We're staying patient. We haven't planned for any trade right now. We're kind of just caught up in this range right now. We don't want to get caught up in this range. And yeah, we're just waiting. As we know, we can always get positions. 3:30 seems to be a good time for us. Maybe a bit sooner. Let's see. Okay, there you go. The new 4-hour candle. The new 4-hour candle for GJ is opening up all the way up there. We barely have a top wick on the hourly on the 4-hour. Let's see if it just keeps driving through. For golds, the 4-hour closed bearish. Not too bearish, but bearish. The hourly too. On the hourly, it looks like it should continue down. Like you see this move on this bearish candle. Guys, we've seen this move 100 times. Creates the top wick, then it flips. But let's see. Because for gold to push down, the dollar needs to push up. For the moment, there's no signs of the dollar pushing up. But technically speaking, gold does look pretty nice right here. Oh. Maybe it's nice for buys. But this 4-hour candle does look pretty nice. I have to admit. You're reacting off of this zone. If price flips bearish, be something like this. Aiming for this bottom zone here. But just look at the dollar. Yeah, no. I don't know. It does look awfully like this 4-hour. So it should repeat itself. Let's see. Worst case, we can wait for break below this zone or something. Is this our magic zone? Okay, I don't know if I'm live or not. No idea if I'm live or not. No idea if I'm live or not, guys. Let me know if I am live. Okay, I think I am live. Um, so we are looking at these sell stops. Uh, It's just not quite convincing yet. It's not quite convincing yet. These sell stops because of the dollar. But obviously the dollar could just flip at any moment. The daily's coming lower. GJ's just pushed up. Barely any top or bottom wick. And gold. Okay, so what did gold do? For New York Open, gold started up here, came down, came all the way back up to open, right? Rejected a bit off of it, and now it's looking like, well, it's not looking like anything for the moment. Okay, so the 5 minute looks like it's pushing bullish slightly. Yeah, look at that bearish dollar, man. But I do think actually it might be yeah, it's conflicting because on the hourly, on the 4 hour, you could be faked out at any point here and then flip bearish. On the 4 hour too, it's bearish. On the daily, yeah, on the daily, it's not as convincing because we tapped into this zone. But then if you look at if you compare it to the dollar, I mean, gold should be flying. We have a 15-minute close in 5 minutes. The 8 hour looks good to go up. The 12 hour, the 8 hour just looks like if and when it flips, just gonna push down. But then it's just pushing up. GJ, we've missed the train. The train, it's a one-way train to the upside. And if you have not boarded it, yeah, it's a bit late to board it now. high chances you come and fill yesterday's daily wick. Gold, um, yeah, gold is slowly pushing up. You have 5 minutes here till the first 15 minute, and then 20 minutes till NYSC open. I mean, we've done this before. The V shapes usually happen something like that. One, two, three, four, five. No, 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 no. There you go. There's the push. On gold, on the dollar, you have the flip there, the weekly flip. Should come pushing down further. Gold weekly, super bearish. Okay, you've now broken the previous 1 hour high on the day on the gold. It's looking like it's coming back up to break further. So on the hourly, because of the last previous bearish, it looks like you're gonna could get a fake out here and then a push down. But anything can still happen, right? Okay, it's pushing further, pushing further. Let's see if we start faking out around here, if we just continue pushing. Wow, wow, wow. What a nice move, guys. What a nice move. Yeah, that was a nice push. Okay, yes, on the 4 hour, we've come back in this zone. We've broken the previous 4-hour high. So the question is whether this turns into a fake out or not. There's no real way for us to know that. So we just have to wait a bit. Wait for confirmations. See if it fakes out of this zone or whether it continues pushing bullish or not. Oh wow, we have 4 viewers right here. That's pretty nice. Pretty nice. 2 viewers, I don't know. I see 1, I see 4, I see 2. So we've broken 4-hour levels. Here's the new 15-minute. We have NYSC here in 15 minutes. GJ is just on a different level. As we said, it's a train that left without us, and it's hard to jump on it. Golds. I mean, in total, guys, gold moved. I think we should have trusted more into this zone, but I mean, there was no real time to buy. At least we got the direction of the market right. We said it was going to go up, and up it went. Checking on 5-minute candles whether yeah, it was not easy. It was not easy, but there you go, guys. There you go. We saw the dollar dropping this morning. Now it's breaking previous day lows, it looks like. So we could get this move could be far from finished. On the weekly, on the monthly, it's pushing down. Is there 2 viewers? Is there 3 viewers? How many viewers are there? It's still going, eh? That's the zone we were trying to sell at yesterday. Somewhere around here. We are now back above this zone. That was a nice move, guys. Really nice move. Yeah. It's hard to see this one, but it's okay. Damn, GJ is just a bullish tank, eh? So I think we peaked around 4 viewers. We peaked around 4 viewers. We're now at 3 viewers. Let's see if we can rise up. Du-nu-nu-nu-nu. Maybe on the 5 minutes, once we had come and break this, you could have just taken the buys above. We'll see. We'll see. We have 10 minutes here till NYSE open. Um, maybe price can retrace to 1640 46 and then move back up, or we just buy it above here. It's a bit of a shame we missed the move up, as we were never looking for sells. Even here we weren't convinced by it, especially as we started respecting this zone, start moving up. Um, yeah. But unfortunately, we did not have anywhere, or I didn't have anywhere I could have entered. But that's okay. We have NYSC here in 10 minutes. Worst case, guys, we know at 10:30 US Eastern time, we know we've had trades basically every day. That's 3:30 GM or London time, 4:30 European time, and 10:30 Eastern time. So in about an hour exactly, an hour 10 minutes, we know we've pretty much had trades every single day. If you look at past streams, so we're being patient here. Guys, this drop on the dollar's beautiful broken daily lows, creating the new weekly low, which looks like would close below this. So we came up, grabbed all this liquidity. If you look yesterday, today we ranged, we grabbed all this liquidity. Now the liquidity has to go somewhere. It's gone here to this zone. Now it's moving through. So let's see. Just don't leave without us. Yeah. Guys, I'm thinking about how I could have entered this one, because I knew it was gonna happen the whole time. The new 15-minute. Yeah. Yeah, it was a tricky situation, but okay. Let's just wait. Let's check the news. Oh, sorry. Man, don't tell me I have Wi-Fi problems right now. You guys hear me fine, right? You guys hear me fine? Ah, oh no. Guys, the dollar is just skyrocketing here. Wow. Wow. Look at this. I mean, not the dollar, gold. The dollar is plummeting. We're gonna wait here for NYC in 5 minutes. There's no FOMO. There is no FOMO. Ah. Wow, guys, we were at 6 viewers at some point. Um, mm, Okay, we're waiting here for NYSE Open in 3-4 minutes. We have no current position. We're just waiting. Just waiting here, guys. Look at this beautiful 30-minute candle. Yeah. It was tough. We knew this was going to happen the whole time. We just didn't really have, or I didn't have the opportunity to enter. But it's okay, guys. It's okay. We know usually in an hour, 3 at 10:30 US time, we've had a move pretty much every day. I'm expecting it to be the same today. Yesterday after stream, I also caught the same move down here during same thing 334. Caught the downward move in GJ. As you can see in this hour candle, we have a lot of bullish volume. I'm expecting that volume to continue here. 2-3 minutes here. Just give us, a nice top wick gold so we can all be happy. Okay. Patiently waiting, guys. Let's check what's going on. Yeah, nothing home growth slows on record. Market hits break. Yeah, there's just a lot of indication that gold should go up. The dollar on the daily, where's the next zone for the dollar? You still have quite a bit of range. It's somewhere down here. So no FOMO right now, no FOMO. Well, there is a bit of FOMO, but yeah, it's moved up basically 100 pips since we tried to get in. We had a buy stop, we deleted it. Price ended up continuing moving. So let's see, we have NYSE in 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, we know gold, guys. It's about to not give us a top wick. Come on, gold, don't give us a top wick. I'm joking, guys. Let's hope gold can give us a top wick. There you go. On the dollar, you basically don't have bottom wick. Fuck it. Okay, now we need a bottom wick here to be formed. Is that it? Is that it? Oh. Let's see. We know at 35 past, we start getting a bit of volume. Maybe that was just the bottom wick and it's going to keep going. You're already up, yeah, 6-7 pips. Wow. I mean, there you go, guys. Yeah, that's just going to keep moving, eh? Crazy. I was hoping for, not gonna lie, I was hoping for a bit of a larger bottom wick. If we can retrace here and then place a buy stop on the break of the high, that would be nice. You have a straight move up. If we can retrace, create some type of support, and then start moving up. There you go. That's what we wanted to see, guys. Okay, now we can place a buy stop at 1655. 1655. Ah, let's see if we get activated or not. Oh, okay, there you go. We're in. Let's see if we can get 10 pips or not. Okay, there you go. You don't really want this to come back down at all, really. Yeah, we're gonna place stops at break even right there because if this comes back down, there's a high chance that, okay. Guys, there you go. We closed. Ooh. Gonna close that fully, guys. Nice move there. Nice move. Closed a total of oh, a total of 13 pips. Um, nice little trade there. Um, yeah, I think we can get more of a move coming. We'll see. We'll see. God damn, man. It does not understand my requirement. Anyway, that was a nice trade. Really nice trade. Nice, guys. Okay, so now, yeah. What you would want to see somewhat here is some type of bearish candle. Sorry, guys. Some type of bearish candle on shorter time frames, even another bigger one. And then you can start, as price, for example, breaks this high, you can look for more buys. But to buy up here, yeah, to buy here, it gets a bit complicated a second time because I know we just bought there. Um, we did just buy here. If you go back 5 minutes, on this wick right here. But now that it's rejecting us, yeah, a second time because we came up rejected, and I said, okay, if we come back up, there's a high chance we push a bit more. We pushed a bit more, but now, anything about how markets move, liquidity, volume, you know that you can't just move forever. We had said guys, we've been bullish on gold all morning. We are never looking for sells. We missed our shot here and just pushed the whole way through. But we waited, we were patient, and if you just joined the live, guys, we will have another trade. I can nearly promise you in an hour's time. Nearly every single day on this stream, we take a trade at 10:30 US time. That's 3:30 in 3:30 in Britain and 4:30 in Europe. Nearly every single day, we get a reversal around then, and we take trades. GBP is looking like it's going to close up here, at least on the 15-minute. But, guys, we're more focused on gold. But as we say, you would want to see somewhat of a retracement back down, and then before the continuation of the move. Like, just a pretty usual market cycle, like something like this, right? See, here we moved pretty much at 130. Like here, 130, we start moving. What do we see here? Retracement. And then that's when, right here at 330, it's when we get the reversal. So we're expecting exactly the same thing. Come back, and in an hour, get the second leg up. If that's what we get, that would be amazing. Okay, you guys can... Yeah, I don't like that. But you guys see, we made the profit. It was a 15 lot. We took 13 pips. Still need to figure out how to put it in this black thing around. Not really good with PCs. First time owning a PC, so... Okay, let's see if anything's happening. Guys, remember we have news in 20 minutes. They're expecting, as we said, what looks like pretty flat. Richmond manufacturer maybe a bit negative, and then so the consumer confidence a bit negative, but pretty flat overall. If you have any questions, feel free to let me know. Not going to look at that because we don't care. Okay, guys, I have a question for you guys. How do commodity trading firms make money? Tell me in the chat. How does a commodity firm make money? Let's say even big oil, let's say like Shell. How does Shell make money? Or BP or Saudi Aramco? How do they make money, guys? Let me know. Let me know. There's multiple answers, but let me know what you think. Okay, we can remove all this. We don't even want to entertain those ideas. There's buys here, or there's further buys above. Um, let's look on higher time frames. Oh yeah, that's the flip of the daily. So flip of the weekly. It's a nice continuation, guys. You can see we respected this support once again. Last time we rejected off, we came at least up here. Let's check on the 4 hours. Last time we came, we rejected this zone. We came all the way up here. Here too, we came all the way up here. Here we came all the way up here. So there's a high chance we just filled this zone. It's not because it's going up now that it's just gonna keep going up. No. Not how it works. You have to wait for some type of pullback, some type of yes, just some type of pullback. Guys, institutions can't just randomly take buys that's going up. Maybe they can, but if price is going up, do you think they'd rather buy it up here or bring it down a bit and then buy it here and then push it up? You let me know. You let me know. Guys, if you just join the Zoom, not the Zoom. Well, you can join the Zoom, but you just join the live. Feel free to tell me anything, your favorite car, your favorite pair to trade, anything you want. We'll check it out. Guys, there you go. There's the GJ push. But we're arriving towards this danger zone where we've rejected a lot of times, and what tells you that we're gonna not do the exact same thing today? Because history often repeats itself, even though that we learned from this book the other day that history doesn't repeat itself. Humans, men, repeat themselves, but we say that's bullshit. I think history repeats itself. There's that push on gold. Push, consolidated push. Maybe I could have kept. Ooh, that's a nice push. I could have maybe kept some of my position open. Oh well. I don't like being in trades at this time right now. Let's see. Let's see. Guys, look at this hourly. It's been a little while we've seen nice volume like this. 200 pips in an hour. And we caught 10 of them. We know that makes us mad. It's okay. It's okay. You guys have any questions? Any concerns? We'll answer anything you want. Guys, I doubt this 15 is just going to push. Once again, we said we really want price to come back and tap this zone. 1652 around there. But maybe gold has different ideas. Let's see. Dollar's just melting. We're soon arriving to that next zone. End of the 4 hour, an hour or so. So I am expecting this hourly to pull back a bit at the end. Wow, but that is beautiful price action there. There you go, gold's still pushing, guys. I think we had quite a few what's it called? Quite a few earnings. Let's see if good, bad numbers. Actual was good. Revenue was down though. Okay, so most Coca-Cola was good. UBS was good. Oh, EPS was down, but earnings were good. MSCI revenue was down. HSBC, ooh, HSBC took a bit of a hit. Let's check that out. HSBC. Down 5%. UBS up 7%. Uh, no, UPS. Coca-Cola. Okay, interesting. So I wonder how long-lived this gold move is. What the fuck is this? Hey. Sorry, guys. Okay, so we can see the weekly's flip bullish now. Look at this daily. I mean, if this was a 30-minute time frame, all you need is a close here, and the next candle should come up and fill the wick, right? GJ's pushing up. I shot the sheriff, but I didn't shoot no deputy. Oh no. We entered, what did we enter? Here. Interessant. Okay, guys, we peaked at 6 viewers today. That was pretty nice. I'm pretty happy with that. Seems like we didn't get any subscribers from that. But that's okay. Where'd you go? Guys, that's that pullback we were expecting. Pullback, pullback. Let's see. Let's see. I'm expecting at maybe even a bottom wick on this 15. Next 15 to come down, guys. As we said, pretty similar to what we had the other day. I'm expecting the same thing at in 40 minutes time here, depending on where that you are in the world. Yeah, today was a pretty good day overall for the viewers, the trading. In about an hour or less, I'm gonna be going on a little walk. Get away from the screen a bit, and then back to work, I guess. 6 minutes left here. Um, as we know, we're gonna wait at least for the 30-minute candle because that's the wait. I like it. There must be some more news going on. Nothing at all. U.S. stock rise as investor digest mixed earnings. U.S. stock rose Tuesday as traders assessed a mixed bag of corporate earnings and weighed risk to economic growth for the Federal Reserve raising interest rates to combat inflation. Treasury yield declined. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq rose after Monday's strong performance among companies reporting Tuesday. Coca-Cola, General Motors, UPS beat analysis earnings estimates, while General Electric and Invesco fell short. Alphabet, Microsoft, and Visa are among major companies still reporting today. U.S. Treasury extend their advance with 10-year yield falling to around 4%. The dollar fell after data on Tuesday showed that home price growth in the U.S. slowed, the most on record as high borrowing costs snapped demand. There you go, guys. There you go. To 5 more minutes here left. We are patiently waiting. We are patiently waiting. Guys, we're expecting a retracement. Price has other plans. Wants to move up, apparently. Well, there you go. Pushing new highs. Guys, look at this. Look at this beautiful 1 hour candle. Nearly 200 pips here. Nearly 200 pips. I mean, at least we caught something, but there's very little opportunity. Well, it depends how you trade, but yeah. Our best shot was above here, but we fell short of that. Anyways, let's see you 3 more minutes here, guys. We're at least going to be waiting till 3 or the next 30 minutes. We know there's often reversals then. I really want to see. Let me show you exactly what I want to see. I want to see this. Same thing that happened on Friday. Price comes up really strong at 2:30, like we did here. Retraces at 3, and then, sorry, 3:30 continues to push. That's what I'm waiting for here. We still have to do a Wordle. We have to do a Wordle. I have lost all my viewers. We don't know how many people are watching. Is it 1? Is it 3? Is it 5? Oh, well. We peaked. Okay, we have 1 minute here. Let's see if we can quickly get a Wordle in. Guys, this price does not want to retrace today. Just continuously moving up. Wow. Uh, Plo, Flint, Flint, Flips. Um, Flows. Oh no, there's no L. Still gonna do it. Oh, okay, there you had that retracement there. New 4 hour, new hourly. Um, okay, well there you go. Just pushed up. I guys, as I said numerous times, I am really anticipating the retracement here. Let's see, let's see. That was just a quick move. Focus. Um, oh, 20. Funky. Toggle. FOMC. Forum. Guys, we're fucked. We already didn't get it yesterday. Oh, I can't tell you a word that. Foxes. Okay, Wordle helper. Because, oh wow. There you go, guys. Talk about retracements. Don't mind me. Oh, we have a lot of bad letters. QERT. QERT. Oh no. WUIP. ASD. LCM. Foggy. I do know what that means. Would have never found it. Okay, so we cheated, guys. Because we can. Eight likes? That's pretty amazing. To get 8 likes. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with that. Boy, boy, boy. Okay, so you got that initial push up, and now it seems like we're retracing a bit. I'd honestly be really surprised if we just keep moving up without a retracement. Guys, we're expecting the retracement now, and then in 30 minutes, in an hour, we get a further push up. We'll see how long here for a wait at least for this 30-minute candle closure. Then if on the 5-minute on smaller confirmations we can get, I mean smaller time frames, if we can get a confirmation of some buys. Guys, if you're in the chat, let me know how you think commodity trading firms make money, or one of the ways that you make money. There you go, you're flipping bearish. Guys, if you missed it, we took a buy basically above here. Above here. Let me find it for you guys. Ah. You can see there 1655. Right here on the break of the high. And closed out 10 directly, and then I mean not sorry. Let me repeat. Closed out 75% or 2/3 at 10 pips. And so it's 15 lot closed, 10 lots at 10 pips, and the 5 lots at 17 pips or so. 18 pips, which gives you an average of 13 pips. Guys, if you're new to the stream, we do push-ups for every trade we lose. No push-ups today. Guys, I did a PR in the gym this morning. Incline bench press. Felt good. But yes, guys, we do push-ups for every pip we lose. Today we didn't lose money. Okay, guys, this is what we meant. At 3 o'clock, you get the retracement. Look at this right here. 3:30, 3, you start retracing, 3:15, 2, and then at 3:30, we should get the continuation back up. So essentially, we can buy at any point here. Buys above here, buys above here. I'm willing to buy at any point. I just need somewhat of confirmations. Guys, the dollar finally hit into that next zone. So we were expecting some type of retracement. Same thing, guys. I don't think this move is reversing, but I do think we're pulling back, and then in 20 minutes we can continue pushing. Sorry, guys, let me know how you think commodity trading firms make money. There's a lot of commodity, let's say oil, big oil. How does big oil make money? How do you guys think big oil makes money? Let me know in the chat. Guys, don't forget, we are still bearish markets. Monthly still bearish. You know, we're flipping bullish. Okay, this is not what I meant by pullback. I thought we were gonna pull back longer for bigger ranges, but let's see, let's see. We forgot to look at news. So both were bad. Three exactly here, but we can see price moved up, down. Now it seems like we've grabbed the lows and moving right back up. News. Weekend declined. We were looking at earnings. So I think Microsoft and Meta are later on in the day. Is that correct? Yeah, I think anyway. I can't find it, but I do believe it's later on in the day. Which does that mean it's okay? Tomorrow's a big day too. Okay, I might run and get some food. I haven't eaten a mouthful of food today yet. We just don't want to lose we don't want to lose any viewers, but what can I do about that? Anyways. Okay, we're kind of just waiting here. Yeah, the new 15-minute. So we are expecting the retracement for the continuation push later on, but if we push now, we might get the retracement at in 15 minutes. GJ seems to be somewhat retracing, consolidating a bit. Gold's the same thing. Guys, I'm really expecting if we can retrace now for the next 12 minutes, we will get buys at 30 past. Um, those would make a lot of sense. Let's see what gold can give us. Yeah, on the 5 minute, if we come below this line, there's a high chance we continue further down. 55 levels. Let's see. Sorry, I'm just eating the first mouthful of food of the day. Okay, 10 more minutes and we can get some buys here. Let's see, let's see. Guys, as we said, if we come down below, we can probably come to 1655 levels. Which, if we do, we can probably even get some buys above here at 30 past. Let's see, guys. 10 minutes to wait, and then nearly sure we'll get some moves. Yep. It's looking good. You just want to continue pushing down here. Ten minutes, guys. I'm looking at my own live. There you go, guys. 1655. That's exactly what we're expecting. At 30 past here, I think we're gonna get this trade, guys. Guys, look at this. Okay, look at these three candles. Up, up, retracement, right? Up, up, retracement. Next candle moves up. I look good. I smell good. Two viewers. Should be at least three in here. I guess I'm finally right here. No turning back. Pop star of the year. 5 minutes, guys. Oh, Streamlab. There we are. You don't want to move up right now. You want to move up soon. But I hit that even 1654 even. Five minutes, guys. 5 minutes. Move we've been waiting for all day. You just want to retrace a bit more here. You don't really want to move up right now. Because you really want this 30-minute candle to open down here. Guys, we're expecting this move up around 3, starting to get the retracement, and then at 3:30 you start pumping again. I don't like that it's pumping now. 25 pips. But nothing we can do about that. 2-3 minutes left here. I wonder how many views we've got today, how many viewers. I'm excited to see all that later on. I think it's been one of our best streaming days, honestly. I think so, huh? Okay, so it's moved up for 30 past. Which is not exactly what you want to see, but we deal with it. Okay, can we put a buy stop above this 5-minute candle? Let's see where it closes. I'm going timber, you better dance. Okay, I'm getting ready to slowly put some positions in. Or not positions, a position. We need this bottom wick though. Okay, we're gonna have a buy stop here at 7, 15, 16, 7. We wanted to move pretty much straight into profit. Let's see, guys. Getting ready to close it. In profit and draw down whatever it is. You want the move to happen pretty quick and pretty hard. Otherwise, I'm ready to close it. Okay, there you go. We're in. We are in. You want to start moving now into profit. Okay. Flipping bearish. Not a good sign. Not a good sign. Ooh. There you go. Stop loss hit. So pretty much a break even for the day. We're going to try one more time. Otherwise, we'll take the loss for the day. But I think there's a high chance of this playing out based on what we've seen in the past. Let's see, we're going to move it. The candle flip. Get out of here. Some bugs in this room. Okay, now you should get the push. We just want 10 pips and then we're out. Ooh. Probably gonna hit stop here. Yep. Like that, we're down for the day, guys. Just like that, we are down. It's okay. It's okay. Mm. Yeah. Anyways, it is what it is. I really thought when we flipped, it was gonna work, and then when that didn't work, I thought the second flip would really push it up, but clearly maybe we've moved enough. GJ's pushing up a bit, dollars retracing. I mean, gold should continue further down. Oh no, we're stagnating a bit right here. Probably gonna call it a day here. Um, yeah, not too good of a day. Fine, we ended up not even 10 pips loss. Okay, unless we have a question or remark, we're probably gonna call it a day here. We have been streaming for 3 hours. Let's see. Uh, yeah, for 3 hours. Took a nice win. Initially, it goes right here. No, right here, sorry. And then right now we just got played with this big candle here. I thought we were gonna push. Apparently not. Overall, we've made a decent amount of money at this time, so we can see this time it didn't work out. I should have maybe been able to tell with this 5 minute candle. I wasn't convinced by. Dollar. Yeah, it could still happen. Maybe it's gonna happen at 4. So I'm not opposed to taking that trade, but not right now. So, anyways, we're about to call it a day here. And I will see everyone here tomorrow. Thank you for joining. Thank you for